YL-335C Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Integrated Application Innovation Platform. It consists of 5 units: a storage unit, an assembly unit, a vision unit, a sorting unit, and a conveyor unit, installed on an aluminum alloy guide rail-type training platform. Comprehensive utilization of industrial automation control, industrial internet image recognition, intelligent robot, and other technologies. The platform integrates cloud platform, data management and mismanagement system, real-time monitoring, scheduling, and optimization of the production site can be realized, simultaneously integrated with digital twin. In line with industry development and the advancement of intelligent manufacturing technology, simulate everything from customer ordering to raw material supply, production and processing, product testing, logistics and warehousing, etc. Intelligentization of overall manufacturing, digital flexible management,